In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files in Microsoft Teams. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Teams and heading to your sharing space where you want to post the file. In the left panel, under Teams and Channels, click on your team name to expand its list of channels. Then click the sub-team or group that applies to your setup. Next, click General to open the main channel where most team conversations happen. At the top of the channel, confirm that the active tab is Posts, since this is where shared messages and files appear. Now we'll start the post. At the bottom of the page, click Post in Channel to open the full message box, which gives you more options including the ability to attach files. In the message box, type the message you want to share with your team. For this demonstration, the message used is, "Please review these launch notes before Friday. Take your time and write the note that matches your situation." Now it's time to attach the file. Inside the post box, click the Attach Paperclip icon. If Teams opens an Actions and Apps menu, click Attach File to continue. From the options, click Upload from this device, which lets you pick a file directly from your computer. In the file picker, select Launch Review Notes.docx, or whichever document you want to send to your team. Once it's highlighted, click Open to bring it into the post. Wait a moment until the file appears attached just beneath your message, which confirms it is uploaded successfully. Now we'll send the post. Click Send, which is the paper plane button at the corner of the message box. Wait for the post to appear inside the general channel feed. Confirm the post displays Launch Review Notes.docx as the attached file. Next, we'll confirm the shared file. At the top of the channel, click Shared. This view lists every document that has been shared inside this channel. Confirm that Launch Review Notes.docs appears in the list. Click the file to open it, and confirm that it opens directly inside Teams. At this point, the Teams conversation contains a post with Launch Review Notes.docx attached, and the same document also appears in the conversation's Shared or Files tab. Team or community members can open the file either from the post itself or from that shared file area. Congratulations! You've successfully shared a file in Microsoft Teams.